MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
So Trevor, you founded Lincoln Precision Engineering 26 years ago.
Yeah.
Tell us about the company.
Started out as a machining company 7 years ago, delved into the fabrication, laser cutting side, and that's where the company's taking off now.
Yeah. So what made you go into the laser cutting?
We felt we wanted to go further and do something slightly different, and we saw a hole in the market for laser cutting.
And so we're here to look at some of the TRUMPF machines as well. So I know you've got 4 of their machines.
Yeah.
What made you go for TRUMPF?
Yeah, we looked around all the manufacturers and felt TRUMPF offered the best quality machine, the best service, the best backup. So that's where we were.
Hence the reason you've now got 4.
4, yep. I haven't finished there either.
Well, this machine is our core machine that does our main kind of focus on the material, which is predominantly mid-range mild steel, from about 5mm to about 12-15mm.
And what sort of part would you be cutting?
We do a lot for yellow goods, but we also do a vast amount of parts for various industries like construction, rail, etc. Yeah.
And how many hours a day this machine running?
This machine's running about 14-15 hours a day, about 60 to 70 hours a week on average.
And then we've got the TRUMPF 3120s
3120s, yeah.
So that's your press brakes.
Yeah, so we've got 2 identical machines. We was that impressed with the first one. We've kind of got a second one to ramp up really.
And would that be like second ops of what you're doing on the 3030 or completely different work?
Yeah, it's always second ops from the lasers, yeah, that we produce in house.
So it's a big investment, this machine, Aaron.
Yeah.
What made you go for the Brightline 5 technology?
Well, we already had the CO2 existing machine, and we wanted to widen the scope and go with a fibre with this Brightline technology.
And what does that actually mean? What does it do?
It's a bit of a mystery, but it gives you a better edge quality on thicker materials.
Right, so it's a more diverse, it gives you more diverse capabilities.
Yeah.
And you've got 2 parts here.
Yeah, I've got 2 parts here, yeah.
And this is an example. One of these parts you can do on both machines.
Yeah, so this is some 4mm stainless that is done equally as good on both machines, but cuts about 3 times faster on the new fibre machine.
And the second one here then, you've got some another block of stainless.
Yeah, so I've got some 25mm stainless here that's been cut on the fibre. With the CO2 machine though, we'd only be able to manage about half of this thickness, so before we wouldn't have been able to produce this part.
So to summarise, you can do lots of different materials.
Yeah.
You can do thicker materials and you can get better finishes.
Yeah, so we can maintain the thicker materials with a great edge quality because of the Brightline, and we can basically do all-round materials, and the machine is so efficient that we're actually about a third saving on our carbon footprint as well.
So it's a win-win all round.
Win-win all round, yeah.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.